In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do shoulder external rotations on a TRX. So firstly, when it comes to shoulder external rotations, we're primarily working the muscles of our rotator cuff. Now, when I do this, I'm going to be side onto the camera. So I just want to show you what I'm doing front onto the camera before I show you with the TRX. So I'm going to have my hands just below my chest. From here, I'm then going to bring my arms out. My elbows will come slightly away from my body, but we don't want the elbows coming too far into this position. So try and lock the elbows in, and it's that motion that we're going to do. When you come to the TRX and setting it up, I've got the TRX handles just below the hip bone. So here's the front of my hips, TRX handles are just below that. From this position, which is very similar to a row, what you're not going to do is you're not going to lean back, okay? So you're going to keep the tension on the TRX. You're going to lean back, not by extending the arms, but by bringing the feet forwards. Now, in this position, the head and your eye line is going to be looking at where the TRX is suspended from, and I want you to keep those elbows in. From here, you're then going to come into external rotation, really big contraction, and you're looking to feel this at the back of the shoulders. It's very tempting to start using other muscles. So if it's too hard when you've stepped forward and you come into, say, this position, you're going, that's really difficult, just take a step back. And if you're in this position, you're going, well, I can't really feel anything. Make sure you step forward to progress and make the exercise harder. So essentially, you are taking the TRX handles, you're coming into a position where you've got the tension on the TRX, you're walking forward to an appropriate resistance for you, and then from that position, you're then going to externally rotate the shoulders to come into TRX external rotation.